Well, fresh from taking his oath as Senator of the 20th Congress, joining us on the big story tonight is Senator Tito Soto. Good evening, Tito Sen.
Hi, good evening, Ses, Sean, and Pauline. Good evening, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
Well, first of all, we had Senator Villanueva saying that natahina ni Senate President Chis Escudero ang support ng majority ng senators.
Napahina? What
He's
that?
already sealed the deal. Kumbaga, he will stay on as Senate President.
Congratulations. Good luck. We'll see you in July 28.
All right. Well, we know that you are vying for the post also. So, ano yung...
No, I'm not vying for it.
Okay.
My colleagues are the ones asking me to accept it if they can get the numbers.
Okay.
That's the score. I am not like the others. I am like the old timers eh. Old school ako eh. Old school kami nila Mano Gianni, nila Senator Maceda. Hindi namin hinahabol yun. Iaalok sa amin, tatagapin namin.
Okay.
Yung iba, nagpapapirma, nag-aalok, sila yun.
Baka masyadong maaga nila na telegraph ang kanilang numero.
Well, depende. Nasa sa kanila yun. Importante naman sa Senado is yung senador eh. Whether you're the Senate President, you're the Majority Leader, or you're the Minority Leader, or you're just a simple member of the Senate. The important thing is that you know the rules, you know the procedures, and you know how to handle it. And there's no problem. I don't see any problem at all. The important thing is that they all remember and they all think that there are 24 different republics. Yung ikangay Senate President, presiding officer lang yun. Yun ang ating mga ikangay madalas na kinokorek namin na ang Senate is not the Senate President. It is the Senate. So you don't speak for the Senate unless you conduct a caucus or you talk to your colleagues. Hindi pwedeng ikaw lang nagsasalita. Ganon lang yun eh. So we will know what to do.